We're Immobiliser Fit. This is how you put a Ghost 2 system into service mode, so when you take it back for a service. In this BMW we get the ignition on, so foot off the brake, triple tap, gets the ignition on, pop the code in to disarm it, get your double flash. Now we'll go to the traction control button, press it 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 flashes. You get this protection system inactive notification on the BMWs to confirm it's out of service mode. Sorry, it's in service mode. Now it's going to start up like a normal vehicle and go into gear. Obviously, so BM can work on it. Don't need to worry about leaving them with a code. When you get it back and you want a system to be back on, want your car to be secure, triple tap, pop your code in, get your double flash like you normally do. There we go. Now next time you get in the vehicle, it's going to be protected. So we'll just start it up to show you. Put it in gear. So we give it 5 seconds to set. Get in the vehicle to show you it's active. Start it up, put it in gear, cuts out. Give us a call 0208 212 7393. This is a Ghost 2 on an X5 2019.